I honestly didn't even watch CPI. To be completely honest with you. I didn't even watch it. I didn't even watch it. Not to say it was not a move. It looked like it was a great move. Just personally did not participate. Jdun. All right, what's going on, everybody in Team Bowl? I didn't even see that bro tagged me this morning before CPI. Rip. What a big Zoe. What jalapeno, what tiger. To my Steelers fans, what the hell was that last night? What the heck was going on, guys? Come on. What was I witnessing? That was horrible. So sad to see Aaron Rodgers go out like that, too. And then that pick six to end it, I was just like, oh my gosh. The fumble for a touchdown was crazy, and the pick six was just the icing on the cake. You know, you got to give it to Mike Tomlin, though. He's had a long run, longer than most coaches will ever coach for a single team. He's had a long, long run. So you got to put respect where respect's due. Yeah, no, dude's a legend. It's probably the end of his run there, but, I mean, bro earned his stripes. Tell y'all right now, my Broncos are about to take care of the Bills, though. Everyone's saying the Broncos are the worst one seed. The Broncos are going to choke. Blah, 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 blah. We'll see about that. We'll see about that. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Talk is cheap. And then we're going to take care of New England too, baby. Drake May. Okay. We're coming for you. Yeah. We'll see. Keep talking. I passed my first eval thanks to you today. Let's go. That's amazing. Who's all coming to the free live training tonight? 7 p.m. Eastern time. Who's coming? Come support your boy. It's like live entertainment, but better. You actually learn something. If you're ready to level up and win, you better be there. Hello. There's all better be there. Thanks got me on a schedule of eating a fruit bowl every morning. That's amazing, bro. That makes me really happy. DOD. Real live training is tonight. 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'm going to share my screen now. Let's go ahead and do that. Boom. Thanks, man. Started trading from seeing Jdun's Lambo in the gym parking lot. That's dope. That's cool. Soon go. Hope we have a better trading day today. All right, guys. We got 20 minutes to open. Let's see what else we can get today. So let's start with Tesla. Our levels on Tesla went crazy yesterday. We saw that aggressive move up to like 454 and a little sell-off back near that consolidation area. We're holding a base above 450. Let's check our higher time frames. I think on Tesla, the big line in the sand today is going to be that 450. I could see Tesla calls it open. Maybe a quick dip and rip. That level for a dip and rip. All right, Tesla. I want to look for a dip and rip. I want to see us hold this 450 to like 449. And then I'd want to target yesterday's highs in 460s. That would be my first watch for Tesla. Whoops. So, whoops. My mic wasn't right. So my first watch on Tesla, everybody, is I want to see us hold this 450. I want to see a dip into this. We had some aggressive pushes down with rising volume. Push, fail in this area. right at that 450. So I like to see us come down, dip, then rip, target 454, and then target the 460s. If we can see some strength on Tesla today, that would be my main watch. If we end up breaking this trend down and breaking, it's like 446, then we likely had a lower into the zone. So that's my first initial watch on Tesla. As far as the NASDAQ and QQQ goes, got some strength with the CPI. Market looks relatively strong. I'm going to be looking for higher lows today. Hopefully we don't get the same deal as yesterday where we pump and then this slow grind. I really hope that we don't get that. I'd like to see a build above yesterday's high. Yesterday's high and pre-market high are in the same area. So any sort of build above 26,000. I would say we can look for like a 25,935 bounce, but we just about got there. Like we got down to 944 and then ripped up. So I think we're gonna have to stay patient on our intraday setups with NQ. I pushed market higher and have sold off of the move. Again, staying more focused on in. Let's go ahead here and pull up my I'll pull my Tesla option chain and my QQQ option chain. I'm going to pull up my next day options on QQQ. Who thinks we need to humble Han today with options? Y'all apparently love when we get the humble Honda days. Y'all love the humble Honda days. Appreciate y'all all being here, everybody, this beautiful Tuesday morning. I got about 1 hour and 15 minutes to trade with y'all this morning. Gonna be a little quicker. Gonna be a little quicker of a morning. Need a real trade in NQ today, guys. I know I let you down yesterday. I had one loser and one winner, though both were small. Both were small on the NASDAQ and on the NASDAQ shorts and then on the NASDAQ shorts again. Grizzly had a winner, though. Need to give y'all a nice winner today. Yesterday sucked. I mean, ended slightly green. Or ended, we're going to call it break even. Ended break even yesterday. Yep. Wait, what he said. We're going to choose DOD today, and we follow DOD. The system will work. What do you got and watch today, Greg? Any levels?
8-4. Watching probably picking the shots. Below 9-4. 5, 9-4. That's what I'm looking right now. Loans, I don't know. shots below 9 to 4. You want to watch price action, of course.
Dun. Soon. And today has a huge, huge opportunity.
Yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now. Shots below 9 to 4. If you take the shots 9 to 4, we can aim the same level on the after hour yesterday, 8:49. So it could be a good trade from 9 to 4 to 8:49. Again, perfect bounce yesterday at that level.
Cool.
Beautiful bounce. The scenario was complete 100% yesterday. So let's see what happened. Opening.
All right. What's good, Montana? Appreciate you. Who's going to teach me how to day trade my crypto? Well, you'll learn a solid strategy just by being here. Let's get it today, everybody. How'd gold do overnight? Oh, took a dip, then it took a rip. I should well watch gold today. We will watch gold today.
Silver.
What? Silver. Silver is crazy.
Silver. Man, I've been scalping silver. It's really nice. Price action is smooth. For scalp, it's really nice. Good morning, team. Good morning, everyone. Morning, Mr. Biscuit. How you doing this morning? Good. Drinking coffee. Getting ready.
Silver is crazy to trade, bro.
I know. But I noticed that the price action is really nice, really smooth. For my strategy for scalp is really nice. Pays a lot, but need to be careful.
How's Bitcoin doing? What's Bitcoin at? 90, 92? Just hanging out at 90. I need to own more Bitcoin. I need to get to my 20 coins. My 20 coins. I'm almost there. Getting close. A few coins away. Once I sell my Revuelto, I'll be there. I'll be over 20. Yep, Apex is 1 day pass. You can use code Jdun for 80% off payout protection. So if you're worried about your payout with Apex, there's no need to fear. You follow the rules, you use code Jdun, you're getting paid. I like the 50K Trade-A-Vid accounts. That's the ones I like. Uh-oh. Jen's on stages. Let's go. Yes, and the 7Ks is bananas. It's bananas. So the game plan's laid out for the day. Gonna wait, trade smart, trade safe. Grizzly, I'm curious your thoughts on if the data strategy is in play. What do you think, Grizzly Glock? Ugh.
Sorry about that, Jdun. I was dealing with something there. Data strategy looks decent to me.
It looks like a good old data strategy, unless it is the BS. I would have rather we waited for that deep pullback that we've seen this morning for us to come retest those highs around like 936, 935, but just about tested them already. I'm good on AI trading, James. Am I trading the orb? Yeah, I use 15-minute high and low every day. I don't trade like the orb. I trade price action and volume. But I use the 15-minute high and low for reference almost every day. Pre-market high, pre-market low, 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Almost every day. Literally almost every day, bro. Your trading doesn't have to be complicated. It just has to be systematic and simple. If you can make your trading simple and systematic with good execution and risk management, you'll be all right. Ugh. Gene is 8 minutes away, and I get my coffee. Pay Done gets here in 8 minutes. Once Jdun gets his coffee, once I get my coffee, I morph into Pay Done.
guys, let's see what happened. We go up at knight to 4. The perfect scenario for me will be. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me?
Oh, yeah.
Just confirming. Yes. Okay. So for me, the perfect scenario would be going down to knight to 4. If transaction is good, of course, taking the shots. Why? Why knight to 4? Because this is a 4-hour hotbox I have there. Knight to 4 is the top of the 4-hour hotbox, which goes from knight to 4 until 705.
The hot box.
Yes, sir.
Getting a little sell off towards open.
I hope they give me the scenario. The scenario is going down to knight to 4, guys. Knight to 4, enter this hotbox, giving me some price action on the knight to 4, some whips up. The 1 minute time frame, the shots. That's what I would like to see. Going down, entering the hotbox, playing some games on the knight to 4, giving some whips up. The shots.
Let's get it, everybody. The market's about to open, and now trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, and choose discipline over dopamine today. Don't break your rules. Don't break your plan. Use today as a chance to get better, to improve, to take steps towards the future you want as a trader in 2026. That's the only way this works. You take steps towards the trader you want to be.
Heading to knight to 4. See. Standing by.
Woo. Has it seen me clearly?
Keep the wins coming.
Hey, Grizzly, you've been on a roll too. You're undefeated to start the year, right?
Let me know if this is better.
I had Friday. This is
Let me
my
know if you guys can see me.
losses Friday.
Oh, almost undefeated. We both lost on Friday. That's right. I forgot you were with me on that. I thought it was just me. I got cooked on Friday. Well, not cooked, but I definitely didn't win. I almost had 2 red days in a row. Friday, and then I was almost red yesterday. I was slightly above break even. So, got to snap that streak today. No, I don't care about streaks. I could have a 5. I could lose 5 days in a row, technically speaking, and still be all right managing my risk. Where people get into trouble is if you have a multiple day losing streak and your losses continue to get bigger and you go on tilt or your revenge trade and you lose sight of your system. You should be able to lose 3, 4, 5, 6 trades in a row and still be all right. The problem is people get upset. They get pissed off. They get emotional. And that turns into a problem in their trading. That's not that's DOD, but it's DOD in reverse. That's dopamine over discipline. We don't want dopamine over discipline. And the sun. Standing by.
Standing by.
Don't. I got a great night's sleep tonight. You know what I've been using lately? I consistently is those little nose patches that open your nose up. The stickies. You notice I sleep a lot better when I use those. I like the stickies. Maybe I should start wearing one when I trade. See how that works out. I didn't really like mouth tape. I'm sure it's good for me, but I'm sure it's great for let's see, Tesla got that initial pullback. Let's see how it plays out. Pay Duns here, baby. Yep, I'm watching Tesla today. Watching Tesla, a few other individual names. Of course, the NASDAQ. Always. I will not be trading for the first 15 minutes as well. Oh, Mr. Gene's here. Let's go. And there's a deer outside my house. That's funny. There's always deers outside. Look at this. This is outside my house. Just chilling. Bambi's just chilling. Always. That's what I love about the mountains. There's always nature. Deer, whatever. Who cares? I'm going to go let Gene in. I'll be right back.
Jeez, where are all these lights? Smells good in here. With the candle. Let's see.
If they decide to keep pumping from this point, going to be looking the loans probably around above 0 to 0 to 6, 0 to 0. And let's see if they go to the home also.
It was good. We caught like 25, 30 points or so. I had to hop off though. I streamed for 4 hours last night. It did good. I put in my stops to break even and then my take profit in profit. So it hit me for like 25 points and then continued, I think, to go like another 8 points or so. So it wasn't bad.
No, waiting.
Possibly that reject the premium high.
Number is that?
What up?
6045.
What up, Gene the Bean?
You're funny.
Gene the Bean.
You're a bad boy.
You're a very bad boy. Don't. Got my DOD cup, got my coffee. All right, guys, pay done's here. No fear, pay done is here. No need to steer clear. Mr. Jdun is here. I'm doing great. All right, market's moving on up. Let's see what we get in these first 15 minutes. I got about an hour 15 to trade today. Was gonna film yesterday.
They make me nervous.
The lights?
I think that they're gonna fall on me. Squish me like a bug.
Era bom. Se não pusiera, price action.
Uh-oh, Grizzly. Here comes the data strategy. Gene, why don't you bring the deer in?
I tried. I had coffee in my hand.
You guys have a lot in common.
Why?
Ugh. What?
White too.
Gold is slowly moving up. NASDAQ's moving up. We're just about at that previous data high. Moving to price and volume. Yep. That's what we're speaking about, David. Yeah, I've been muted that whole time. Jeez Louise, I was saying, Grizzly, what do you think about the data strategy?
I like it, but I don't like it with futures, you know? Just hitting right now.
David, yeah, when we speak about price action, we're talking about movement of price. And for me, in accordance of volume, how candlesticks move, how price moves. That's what we're looking for. As a reminder, everyone on YouTube and TikTok, my free live training is tonight at 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'll be going live and giving you guys my exact strategy, my exact risk management protocol, and my entire system that has made me a full-time trader and given me full freedom through trading. I've been trading for 9, almost 10 years now. Make sure you guys tap in, get signed up for that. The link is below in my YouTube description. I will also post it again right now. All right. If you can't attend live, oh my gosh. Look at that data strategy, Grizzly.
Yeah, it just fell apart, man. I didn't take it with futures, and it's just really high risk. You have to take it with options if you want to do it properly. Put a huge buy.
That just died.
That was extremely aggressive, wasn't it?
Very.
It didn't break pre-market high either.
It just about got there. Not quite.
That's why we wait.
When do we get our tariff news? Is it tomorrow?
It's in my channel here.
I know they changed it before.
Still getting used to the new layout. Takes me some there we go. Thanks tomorrow. Yeah.
That could give us some significant movement, up or down. All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. Let's go ahead and mark that out. 15-minute high, 15-minute low. Let's mark out our pre-market high. Coat that blue, not to get it confused. And let's mark out our pre-market low. All right. We got our range in. Our range is in, everybody. 15 minutes in. Please remember to choose DOD today. You choose DOD, you get more payouts. You get more progress. The other side. Well, you got to be signed up if you want to join the live training tonight. I'll post the link in the announcements tab right now. If you want the recording after too, you must be signed up. Even if you can't attend live, but you might want the recording tomorrow, got to be signed up. On through to the other side. I do take trades on stream. I'm just very patient. Again, if you're new here, you need to understand one thing is I only take 1 to 2 good trades a day. I trade for about 2 hours a day usually. Within those 2 hours, I get my 1 to 2 trades typically. I don't trade every day. Most days I do. But I don't sit there and force trades for the sake of the stream. If you guys want a different trader who's going to throw you out 100 trades so you guys blow your accounts and use their code and give you reckless advice, then go find another stream respectfully. But if you guys want to learn the right way to trade and choose DOD and stay focused and trade smart and trade safe and learn a systematic approach that actually works, then you're good. And then you're in a good place. It just takes some more patience. It's a little boring sometimes. But what do I always tell you guys? I'd rather we have boring trading now and then you enjoy the money you make outside the market and you have fun with that versus you have fun in the market. Then you're bored at night because you can't do anything because you're broke. You feel me? That's the trade-off that you got to ask yourself if you're willing to make. Are you willing to be bored with me so you can have fun later, or do you want to have fun now with some reckless streamer so you can be bored later because you're broke and you can't do anything because you can't afford it? I'd recommend option 1. Choosing DOD. We choose DOD on this side. We are right around the 50% retracement too. See, nothing for me yet. Oh. Don't know. Yep, that's a good way to do it. Am I going to the Denver game? I'm not. Potential golds for pullback. We'll see. I'm watching it. It's on the screen. Gene, you coming to Broncos party? Yeah. I mean, you think so? I'm getting everyone wings. I don't know.
James, in the Tennessee party, okay, Jenny.
Yeah, he's going to party with you. It's at 2:30 on Saturday. What? You're getting pissed? Gene's gonna get pissed and go home and cry. Gene's a sore loser. But respectfully, so am I. I don't like to lose either. Gene says he's quitting trading for a year if the Broncos lose. Says he's retiring. No trades yet, just watching. We're literally right around opening print. Like, you're not right there, but close. We're right in the middle of this range. Whenever we're in the... Sorry, go ahead. I was just saying, when we're in the middle of this opening range, when we're between pre-market high and pre-market low and 15-minute high and 15-minute low, like we're truly in the middle of both of our key levels, it's a very low likelihood that I'm going to take a trade until that changes.
Very nice. Let's see if I'm gonna work with it. $50.
As a reminder, TikTok, I'm live on YouTube as well. If you'd like access to my full screen, all my marked out levels, and any potential trades I take that need charting, go to YouTube, Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades. Open up your YouTube, type in Jdun Trades, and come tap in, hit that subscribe button, and let's get it. Gold Orb technically did pay. Or not did pay, not paid, but is technically valid. Let's see. I'm likely not going to take it, but I do have it marked out for everybody. If you're on the screen share. How much risk do you like putting on your gold trades, Gene? 6 points. I'm kind of in there like 4 to 6 points. Getting close. We're at that gold orb. Let's see. I don't hate that pre-market high retest on gold, actually. That like 46.30. I don't hate this area in here, actually, to be completely honest. We'll see how it ends up working out on screen share. You can see what I'm looking for on gold if we got a little pullback down into this zone. We might bounce this orb right here. We're back and forth right now. I do watch individual tickers, yeah. I'm always paying attention to NVIDIA, Tesla, AMD, Google. AMD's having a big day, or not big day, but it's up. Google's up. NVIDIA's flat. Tesla's slightly down, a little flat. Think so? You should let me love you. Let me trade you. Let me be the one to make all my points and pips I need. I was singing the trading remix to a song I'm listening to. All right, so gold is bouncing in the zone. I have not taken a hey chill. I have not taken a position yet. We did bounce in the zone we had marked out. We'll see if this ends up playing out or hey. Dogs are freaking. Or if we end up getting a reversal. What? I know. Yeah, short gold. Not sure I'm quite there yet. We'll see how we react in the zone. You should let me love and Q. No trades for me yet, everybody. Now, this price action so far, almost 30 minutes in, is not great. There's no clear trend. So we will wait. We will choose DOD, guys. We'll choose discipline over dopamine. In the meantime, if you guys want a funded account, Apex is 80% off using code Jdun. You get payout protection and the best possible discount. I know DOD is hard, bro, but you got it. You guys can do it. I believe in each and every one of you guys to be able to implement DOD. I know it's tough. I know that it's tough, my friends. I know. Our emotions are a very strong force, but you and your mindset are stronger. I promise, bro. Yep, y'all got it. I appreciate you guys supporting. If you guys get value from DOD, if you get value from these lives, I appreciate y'all supporting using code JDown with Apex, Tradeify, Funded Next, and Alpha Futures. And that bounce on gold's working so far. That's kind of what I thought would happen. We touched into that zone we drew out, mind you, before it happened. And we're holding back up. We'll see how this next candle closes.
That music made it. I was waiting. Please.
What, Gene? I got my mix on. I'm gonna go say to Jen.
All right, so personally, for me, I think I like the shorts.
We got data
Yeah.
dropping everyone, just a heads up.
I want to see it close below.
Trying to say hi to Jen, everybody. She trades inside Team Bull and stages every day.
We wicked, and if you look at my 15-minute chart, it was right where there was previous resistance overnight. So
She doesn't see me raising my hand.
See a close potentially below.
All right, I'm leaving. She doesn't see my hand raised. Yeah, Gene was, or Gene, Gene too, but Jen was a great addition to Team Bull. So much value. If you're not a part of Team Bull, I don't know what you're doing. There's a free version and a paid version, both of which are extremely valuable and well worth your time. You got your data did nothing. Bro said she saw you. She's just a woman. She said, I'm just going to ignore you. That's fine. She's doing her thing. She's killing it with Team Bull. That's all I care about. All right. We're still in this range, guys. So we're still in this range. No trades. Stay impatient until we break the range. I mean, this is just not tradable. Scalpable, sure.
Oh my goodness. I keep hesitating in the shorts.
Volume hasn't confirmed for me at all. Otherwise, I prefer shorts over longs at the moment too. We're below the 50% retracement. Looks like we want to test that potential low day. And my only fear is that we have a potential bounce spot in the 900s.
Doubting myself, man.
It wasn't really supported by volume, though. I get it. This candle might be, though.
That's right where it bounced. The way this week's going.
Yep.
What is this nonsense? This bothers me. I missed the move.
Yeah, we entered the box now.
Oh,
2 more minutes, or a minute and 30 seconds till this candle closes. All right, let's see. I might try the retest of the orb if we can get a close. That's not what I want to see. If we can get a close on here, retest them to like 30 to 40. Shorts with stops above like 70. It's a setup I'm willing to take. I don't love how we're waking up on this candle, though. We got 30 more seconds. Oh, look at that nonsense, Grizzly. Look at this. Look at that nonsense. Look at that. All right. Like, what is that?
Came up positive delta.
How am I supposed to short that?
I'm saying.
I can't short that. I mean, we could continue down, but we have over 50% of the wick back up when we close literally right at that previous low, that 15-minute low. This is the level I wanted to see for shorts, but it's just so high risk. We closed below it. Technically, it's valid.
Stops have to be 970.
Yeah. Not.
I just can't take the shorts here.
Watching price action, guys. Watching price action to see if you take the shorts or not. Unloading the shorts. Nothing by.
That's all I like too is the shorts. This candle's just a little sketchy. Rain, someone rain, we can. What'd you say, Gene? You like that? Able to fly. I'm not in anything now. Let's see. 80 total. Yeah, literally half that candle is just wick to the upside.
I like short, remember, guys, because you want to see the price action beside the 9 to 4. I'm also looking longs above 9 to 4, so I'm watching that. I don't have any bias. You see how I'm trading now. 9 to 4 again. Watching closely.
Don't feel the reaper, baby, take my hand. I still only like shorts for now. I'm not in any trades though. Not in anything. This candle's tough to short right here. If we would have had a close down like at 9:10, a stronger close, I would have for sure taken shorts on this pop up with stops above 70. If we would have had a stronger close in this candle, I would have been in shorts up here with stops above this candle wick high right here. We'll see how this next candle closes. Maybe this will give us an entry. It's not looking like it with volume, but could.
Watching, guys. Watching. Taking the shot, guys. Taking the shots.
Runs on short, Greg.
Yes, sir. Taking shots. My entry was a 9-0.
2 is 1.
Stop loss is 41.
What's am I gonna say against? Hopefully you get a flush below like 890.
Thank you. Looking for 849.
So we had a lowering volume on this, but higher volume than the previous sell candle.
We are green. We are 10 points green. Haven't trimmed yet. So looking a little bit more.
930 to 960.
Stop loss is still 41. 25941. Still there.
Push up to the 30s.
Yep. I am too, Grizzly. I was about to say if I go to 30, I'll try shorts.
32 would be ideal.
Well, a 30-point stop above 60. We got
Everyone hear me on that?
we get to 30. I'm gonna try. I'm not.
30, I would try some shorts.
I don't think Bro can hear me. 930.
As well as a 960 stop.
No, don't go first. Don't go. Don't go.
If we make a low day first, that trade's invalid for me.
My finger's on the trigger. I don't think we're gonna get it though, guys. I think we're gonna go all day first. Right here.
Premiums on here, guys. Okay.
Oh. We'll see.
We shall.
I'm willing to try it at 930. I'm not looking at gold, no. I'm not sure we're gonna get it though, guys. We're not seeing much sign of life. We want to trap some late buyers. Don't look like these buyers want to get trapped. These sellers are still in control. And if we get that flush below 890 first, the trade's going to be invalid. If we flush this low a day at 890, we'll likely go test that my price target of 870s if we got the trade.
Stop this break even now, guys, because I trimmed already. Run a stop all break even. Let's see if we can re-enter on.
And that might be.
Again.
I think that might be. 1 second, Greg. I think that might be the pop-up we get. And again, if we don't see this move hit our retest before taking out low a day, then it's invalid for me. I won't let us, if we take out low a day, I won't try it on the retest.
Took the shorts again, guys. I trimmed on the first one, run stop all break even, and took that. I think it was a 9. Stop loss is at 36. 936. The reason why I took it because we are inside the low. So big trade over here. Small trade. Let's see if we can get the big one.
Well, looks like it's going to invalidate my setup. It's thinking about it. Choosing DOD. So I still got about 15 to 30 minutes max. I'd like to see a pop up to 930 for shorts, but if we take out 892, then that is no longer valid. Take out low day, that trade is no longer valid. And then I have no setups on watch. It likely becomes a no trade day for me because I can't stick around to my normal. All right, yep, trade's invalid, guys. No more trade in this pop up. It'll be a pop up to 930. I will not take the shorts, everybody. I will not take the shorts if we pop up unless something in price action changes. Oh, whoops. Unless we look good in our candlesticks, I will not short at 930 now because we took out that previous low. Could change. Maybe I see something I like in volume up there, but I'd plan on initially we get to 930. I was shorting, no questions.
They shot with me, keep it tight, okay? You should be in profit, you should stop loss should be at least break even. Are you making money with shorts? Let's see if we can get 8 4. That's what I'm looking.
Got my candle lit. Maybe that'll help.
Cross section Jdun looks perfect for the V-shaped reversal.
Yep, on the BS. We'll see. We'll see.
I'm no longer looking for a pop-up for short entry one. The last level I like is this zone below pre-market low. Pushing for a bounce and the hourly demand. If we flush 845, even that setup's invalid.
Literally needed like 6 more points to start my position up there. Didn't get it. Annoying, but it's all right. Follow the plan.
Give me some more, guys. Stop loss and profit now.
No shorts for me. I'm chilling. if we get a close, maybe the only other possible scenario here, if the market's not on games, is if we get a full body close down here. So one more minute. Full body aggressive close below pre-market low. Maybe a retest back up to try. I'm a little weary of with sweeping pre-market low than making our way back up, especially with how data looked this morning.
You guys making money?
See here, the 930, 890. And we didn't get the close. So that puts us back to square one. Back to square one. I appreciate y'all recommending the page to your friends. Do my best to help them with DOD. It's so annoying they didn't give us that full pullback. Didn't give us, or that's what? I just wanted to pull back into the zone right here. Nothing, didn't get the close. It's going to do the bullshit. It's going to do the BS.
Keep going, baby. Keep going down.
It's gonna go ahead and bounce.
Last setup I'm willing to take is if we get another solid sell candle down and the retest to pre-market low. That's the last potential setup I see. If that doesn't work, or if we don't get that, then, well, I have to leave in like a max of 30 minutes, so probably.
I see a strong reaction. If you go
Oh.
already make money. Let's see if we can get a mega trade.
The watch for close and pullback on ES to 7,000.
What's Tesla doing? Tesla's hanging out. Tesla's flat. Flat AF. Gold orb is actually now looking at the downside. It looked decent to the upside first. Now it's looking decent to the downside. Let's see how this volume looks on this next candle. If we get rising volume, or even like similar volume and a strong body, I'll look for retest back up to pre-market high, or pre-market low, excuse me, for shorts. 860, 870. I have to have like 40 points of risk though. Oh, I want something just like this.
$15 per mega trade, right? 15 points.
What's up, Mr. Gene? I'm not letting this market play games with me. Staying patient. Looks like we might get the confirmation. If we can get a move up, a retest back up, I'll look for the shorts around 870. 870 to like 880. Stops have to be above like 915 though. Not sure if we're going to get it, but that's what I see. We swept Asia low too. Oh, I want something just like this. No trades yet. Missed this. Not even missed, I'm going to call it, but didn't get an entry on this whole move. Got close, but yeah, I see the GC chart. Just nothing for me yet. I'm debating between if I want to try it at 870 or if I want to wait till like 890 to try shorts. Try at 890, get higher risk up to the 15-minute low. I'm just not sure we're going to get that much of a move.
Guys, mega trade, almost mega trade. 10 more points. Are you making money? Show me the heart. Show me the keys. Come on. If you took that many shots, it's a big trade already, guys. Big trade. Nice. People make money.
Oh, staying patient, guys. We could just go ahead and say screw it and try shorts, but that wouldn't be DOD. We got to pull back up to this area. I'll try it.
Mega trade level, guys. Mega trade level. My trade is close. I'm done. 100 points. Thank you. Beautiful trade, guys. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade.
I never have fun. Well, that's why I get paid.
So are we clear way to the short trade? Was suspended from the beginning, even before market opening. I mentioned about the hot box, so are we clear? one small green tray, and then we're gonna mega tray. That's it, I'm done for today. Basically, I was watching 9 to 4, guys. 2594. Why? Because this was 4 hour focus. I was waiting for the NQ enter this range. They enter the range with strength, giving the width up, the price action. That's what I like. The shorts.
Yeah, nice job today, Greg.
Thank you. So if you see, show you, so we look the candle from January 12th, the 4 hour time frame, January 12th.
It's kind of a risky candle too. We flush Asia low, get aggressive green pin bar with higher volume. I'd still like to see us test like 870 to 890 for shorts.
So the candle from January 12th, 6 a.m. candle, that's the one I choose. Or hot box, 6 a.m. from January 12th. We look at that candle, you mark the top, you mark the bottom. The top was 94. Easy. 94.
Oh, woo!
Why I took that candle? Because if you see, that candle hasn't been mitigated. For me, it's a hot box. That's my box. We enter 94, the top. Now we reach the half, the box. It is good enough for me. Good enough for trading. You got a 100 point trade. In case you want to learn. January 12th, 6 a.m. candle. That was my hot box.
Yawn. Give us the pop up to 890 and I'll be happy. Let's look at something like this. Boom. Retrace back up and continue down. Like this. Whoosh. Whoosh. Well, actually, probably more like this. Probably more like whoosh. 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 That's what we want to see. Well, it's not looking great, guys. I have a hard time shorting this candle too, so we're going to have to be very careful up here. I think I'd rather see move to like 890.
Okay, I'm gonna explain again. So candle is the kind of monitor, same, Bluetooth for our time frame. You see, it's a big green candle. As you can see, the candle hasn't been mitigated. So I mark it up and mark it up and the top.
Bro, I swear if it doesn't give that pre-market low retest. That's what I'm watching for. Sorry to interrupt you, Greg, but I'm just trying to explain my trades. If we get to 870 area to 890, that's what I'll look for shorts. All right, now I'm done. $870 to $890. That's what I'm looking for. I don't know if it's going to give it to us, though. No trades yet, guys. Oh, my gosh. It's not going to give it to us. I'm annoyed. We're choosing DOD, but it's annoying for sure. If we get up to 862, it'll be 8 points prior. I had my entry snubbed by 6 points earlier. I want to see a move up into here, perfectly towards 890. Failure, then lower. Yep. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, bro. Take care. Stay smart, stay safe. And see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. See you, Jdun.
See you, bro.
You think who's on it? Bye-bye. I already screened my trade. Big back. This thing. Oops. Yeah, I'll screen again quick.
All right, we're getting up there.
January 12, 6 a.m. candle for our time frame. Look at that candle. It's a green candle, big one. That candle was not mitigated. For me, it's a hot top. That's my range. That candle.
I started a piece of shorts up there, guys. Started a piece of shorts. I had a terrible fill. 68, but started a piece of shorts. Started a piece of shorts, everybody. Come on. I want to see a low day out of this. I want to see a low day out of this. Told you guys, 70 to 80. Was trying shorts. I got filled a little below 70. I didn't get a great fill. I tried the shorts up there. So the starter position. Come on. I want to see a low day out of this, everybody. 38 is, if you got filled around the same spot as me at 68 or 70, this is the first spot you can look to trim. So you have 30 points of risk. You need at least 30 plus points of gain. I am going to move my stops to 880. So my stops will still be in the red. There we go. We're getting a push. I want to see a low day out of this. I'm going to go ahead and trim here in low 30s, guys. I'm going to go ahead and take a little off. My stops and the rest are still at 880, 882. Come on. I want low day out of this. I told you guys 70 to 80 was a spot. I said it over and over and over again. I called that my exact entry. We stayed patient. Trade it smart, trade it safe. Now we want low a day. Come on. Come on. I want new lows down to 813. Let's go, baby. I want new lows sub 800. I'm actually going to move my stops to entry, guys. I'm going to move them to 70. My entry was 68, but move them to 70. This candle looks great so far. Come on. I told y'all I had your back. Come on. We're short. Couldn't have been more clear about it either. Literally couldn't have been more clear with my entry. Talked about the plan literally for 20 minutes leading up to it. For 15 minutes leading up to it. Had one position on watch. Could not have been more clear. Told y'all I'm the short king. I am the short king. Come on.
You in shorts, Kevin?
I've been in shorts, bro. You didn't hear me?
No.
Oh, yeah. We've been in shorts since I got filled at 68. I tried to get filled in the 70s. I just got a terrible fill in the position. Called it for Team Bull. Called it live. Told y'all that was an eval passer right there. That had literally no drawdown. Literally no drawdown.
You should get low a day here.
I want it. Come on.
There you go.
Come on, baby. The candle structure looks great. Literally textbook. Come on, baby. Come on. We want low a day. Hold me tight as in my night. I told y'all I had your back. All I ask is you guys tap in and you guys join the free live training tonight. Got in the shorts live in real time. Could not have been any more clear with my entry. Literally impossible to be more clear. Couldn't have if I tried. And we were talking about it on the way up there. It was the only setup we had on watch. Now we just see this trend to continue and for it to go low a day. We telegraphed this happening before it happened. Now we want to see it go in a new lows and test whole site number 800. That's ideally what we get. The class will not be on TikTok or YouTube. The class will be held on Zoom. If you guys want access to my free class where I teach you this strategy and where I teach you my entire system, you can either A, click on it here in YouTube, or B, you can DM me on Instagram at Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades, message that you're from the free live stream and you like access to the free live training. Yep, and if you guys want the recording, if you can't make it, say you can't make it tonight, say you're busy, whatever it is, you guys need to register to get the recording. JDUN Trades on Instagram. You can send me a message. I got your bag, baby. I told y'all we were catching a winner. Told y'all we were making progress on the fundeds, baby. All I ask is you guys join the free live training tonight. I give you guys free game every day, winning, transparent, systematic trades. All I ask is you guys join so you can find them before I do. So you can use my exact strategy and make money yourself. Yep, I just posted the link in YouTube chat, guys. Click on that and register. That's fine. I can reverse. Stops are set. Now we let it just chill. Literally like a 50-point trade. Even if we go to get stopped out. I'd like to see a continuation down. Do you guys understand the why behind that trade? I'd like to see us continue down, but we had two aggressive candlesticks to the downside with supporting volume. We had pre-market low here, so there's a good chance when you see that structure and you retest that key level, you're going to see some sort of push down. Now, I'd rather see more. I'd rather see a continuation of the downside and a test of that whole site number 800. But still, we got like a 1.5 R plus out of that trade, even if we get stopped out at break even. I'd like to see more. Dream well. All right, for y'all that are still here rocking with me, while we're waiting for this trade to play out and hopefully hit low day, if you guys use the strategy, let me know how much you guys made. Let's get some positive energy flowing. After a slow day yesterday, we want low day here. If you guys use the strategy, what did you make? Talk to me. Talk to me, chat. What are we sitting at today? You guys took that trade, used the strategy. What are you guys sitting at? We got Coco trades with 1,200. Come on, we're about to hit low day. How much did you guys make using the strategy? 750, 900 on two evals, 100, 900, 334, 144, 625. Let's go. 1K, 250, 900, 650, 1K. The strategy pays, guys. DOD pays. We're going low a day, baby. We going low a day. 4,500. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait on that pullback with you, Jdun.
Let's go. We got low a day. This is our price target. Everyone, this is our price target down here. This is what we wanted. Where's the haters at that said I don't trade? Where'd the haters go that said my trading's boring? Huh? Where'd it go? Where'd they go? Does bro even trade? Yes. And he catches bangers almost daily. I got you. Come on now. Oh, this looks good, guys. This looks really good. This looks really good for continuation below 800. Again, have your stop set. Trims taken. Make sure that if you cannot, please don't let this trade go red. I am begging you. Please do not let this thread go red. I am begging you not to let it go red. Let's see here. Boom. There we go. Nice. Let's go. Do not let the trade go red, or I will bring my big half-Russian self over and I will smack you silly in the most respectful way. You got my price target. I want a low day out of that. We got low day. I'd like to see continuation down, but got my PT. Got my PT.
It's up. Be nice. We seen a nice reversal candle here and close above pre-market low. That's a long entry.
Told y'all. No, don't do it. Of course, we're going to sleep below the day, then rip up, huh? Hey, we still got on that from 70 down to basically 810. 60 points. We'll take that. If you're going to complain about a 60-point trade with no drawdown, I don't know what to tell you. I guess it's 100 pointers only these days. That's all that gets impressive, huh? I'm going to teach this entire strategy in tonight's webinar as well. In tonight's free live training. There's no reason for any of you not to be there. Even if your strategy is solid, even if you're making money, I guarantee I can give you value in terms of DOD and your psychology. You always got to be a student of the game. I guarantee I'll give you value. Appreciate y'all using code Jdun too. You guys make some progress on your fundeds? Those of you who are using code Jdun, you guys make some progress on your evals and fundeds? Apex is 80% off. You can use code Jdun. Links below. Tradeify is 30% off. I like their select accounts. They offer daily payouts. Nice. Let's go. The fuck? What the heck? What was that, Gene? Oh, I was like, what the hell? It just feels right. All right, guys. Trade's over. Trade's over for me. Grizzly's words. Trade's over for me. You always say that, Grizzly. When you're done, you say, trade's over for me. Trade's over for me.
Hopefully we get a reversal here. That would be nice.
That was a beautiful, beautiful setup. I wish we would have continued down, but we're breaking pre-market high or pre-market low. I keep saying pre-market high. Pre-market low now. So we're done. I'm not shorting it again. I'm done for the day.
I made 1,400 off the shorts on that pullback. I got in.
Let's go, baby.
50s.
Ugh.
Yeah, this is a candle. Could be the candle.
I didn't know.
Reversal.
I already know. And those options move crazy too. I lost my ass in your trade. Well, it wasn't my trade. If you lost your ass on a 60-point winner with no drawdown, then I don't know. You might need to get your hearing checked or something. Thank you very much, Jdun. You made my first day back enjoyable. Enjoy your day and God bless. God bless, bro. I hope to see you tonight at the free live training. Hope I get to see you guys all tonight at the free live training. If I've helped you in any way, shape, or form, I appreciate you at a minimum coming to support and hyping up the chat. I love all the support I can get. I just put the link in the YouTube chat, guys. Click on that link and get registered. You'll get the recording after too. Say you can't make it tonight for whatever reason, you'll also get the recording after as soon as it's done processing if you guys get signed up. You guys have the link right there, fam. Appreciate you, Tommy. Much love, bro. I'm going to spam the chat. There. I just put the link in like 100 times. There's the link, everyone. You can click any of those and get signed up. And if you're on TikTok and you want the link, you can go to my link in the bio or you can DM me on Instagram. Jdun Trades. Mention that you're from the free live stream and you'd like access to the free live training.
We'll stick around too. We'll see if we can catch this move up, but there was too much risk on that previous candle and we haven't had a pullback yet. You only can take the trade if it has the proper risk reward frame. It doesn't matter if we miss the move or not. Unless, like I was talking about on that candle, the previous 5-minute NQ candle, there's too much risk to take it because stop loss. They have to be at the bottom of the candle, which is a ton of risk. Maybe in the 50s you could justify trying some long. You back below pre-market low at that point.
How was Asia's session last night? Gene, you got a winner, right? One winner, one loser? Nice. But nice. Oh. Damn, we're getting that reversal now. Damn. I really wanted to see us go sub 800. If we would have gotten that, would have been a movie. we just focus on DOD every day. Trade smart, trade safe, stay focused. And focus on having discipline over dopamine. Keeping things simple. Appreciate you guys making these live streams a part of your everyday routine. Also appreciate y'all if you're on TikTok hitting that follow button and making your way over to YouTube. The YouTube you get full screen share. Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. How about that Pittsburgh game last night? They played terrible. The Steelers literally played horrific last night. Houston defense carried the way. What's up, Broncos are going to be when they cook the Bills this week? No chance Broncos win that game. You're crazy. Well, 17 hundo. If we would have gotten up to the 90s, probably would have put some size on, but got the confidence back after two kind of days. Yesterday was break even, slightly green. Then Friday was red. It was green every day last week, though. Made 10 grand last week. That was cool. Live account. Embracing the world is yours. On a blimp. All right, guys. I'm about to mob off for the day, though. One winner. Appreciate y'all being a part of the Team Bull Familia. Trade smart, trade safe, and I'll see you guys all tonight for my free live training at 7 p.m. Eastern time, okay? Make sure you guys are all registered. I'm going over my exact strategy, my exact risk management protocols, and everything you need to know to make 2026 a green year for you to enjoy trading more, to trade with more confidence, and to trade with more conviction. I'll see you guys tonight in the webinar. And until then, DOD. Peace, everybody. Adios, adios.